Damn. There's so much wind. You kind of forget how much a windscreen actually does for you to take it off. Alright, so we got the hero session going. See how this looks as far as the dual setup. It's letting every bit of air past me. It's very interesting, actually. Just how much wind this thing lets through. And really, the slipscreen is deflecting a slight bit from the bike aerodynamics, but it's basically deflecting it right into my face. Like it's not even trying to hide that at all. It goes right into my face. So it's for looks and some aerodynamics, and then that's it. A little bit of wind deflection off my chest. Huh. Well, it'll be great for off-roading, and it'll be great for really hot days. This is not a highway. And with the hero session in the way, by the way, it's very hard to read the gauges. But this isn't a full-time setup. This is a temporary thing. I'm testing more stuff today to see how it works. I mean, I might like the angle, but I may not like the not able to see any of my gauges. I can see speed is all that matters. I mean, it's starting to get a little busy up here, right, guys? Just a little bit busy. I need about 4 or 5 USB ports at the front. I only have 2. We're going to try this on the highway. I have little hope that it's going to work out for me. But these gloves are much warmer than the other ones. These are my my winter fishing gloves, basically. You know, ice fishing, skiing, snowboarding, shoveling gloves. Woo. I don't know if you can still hear me or not, but I hear all this wind, and I feel it too. Okay, well, we've learned for commuting, use the windscreen. For touring, use the windscreen. For cold weather, use the windscreen. I don't know how you guys ride naked bikes. This is fucking brutal. How you ride a naked bike in cool? I guess guys with naked bikes don't ride in cold weather. I mean, it's 23 degrees out. That's pretty warm. But yeah, I don't know how you ride naked bikes and like actually tour on them. That's insane. All right, let's end this video. Hero session test and Machine on Moto slipscreen test. Have a good day.